How to get a refund on Mulebuy. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Mulebuy application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and simply log in or sign up to your Mulebuy account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the account section at the bottom right corner. Inside here, simply tap on orders. So your refund path depends on your order status. And here's how it breaks down. If it says payment pending, you have not paid it yet, so relax, there's nothing to refund. If it's order pending, you want to go ahead and simply tap on cancel, and just like so, your refund process instantly. But if it's under order processing, cancel the order now and then you'll get back your money within 1 working day. But if it says purchased, you need to click on that order, then hit after sales and request a refund. This one can take up to 3 days. But if your order is already shipped, you've got to deal with sellers directly. So that's how you get your cash back on Mulebuy. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.